Well, welcome back to my channel, my joyful subbies. It's your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the JoyfulDesignz brand, here to bring you another budget-friendly DIY using a cutting board from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I am applying some black paint to the cutting board using a baby wipe. I wanted the black paint to act as a stain, and this is a great way to get the stain look without the odor. So if you haven't tried that, make sure you try that technique. It's very common amongst crafters. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. And if you have yet to do so, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and join my Joyful Subbies family. Now you see me just basically outlining the cutting board using the black paint. And I'm using my heating tool to just dry the paint faster. And now I have my sponge dabber to rub across the grooves or the raised dots on the basket. And I am going to give this a good coat front and back using the apple barrel paint in black. And now I have the bless sign. This is the faux leather word that came in a 3-pack from the Dollar Tree. And with any decor you see me crafting that you like, please make sure that you use the colors that suits your home decor style, as these colors that I use in most of my projects fit my home decor style or color scheme. And I just glued that down. And now I'm taking this same heat gun to get up the glue that had dried on the board and getting up the glue strings as well. And now I'm taking the paintbrush and just dabbing it in the black paint, and anywhere I saw white spots, I just added some more black paint to it, front and back. And now I'm taking my glue gun and I am going to outline the perimeter of the basket so that with the glue, so that I can affix it or put it in the center of the cutting board. I mean, you can literally take anything and make a cute DIY out of it, or a home decor piece. And now I'm just placing it in the center, pressing at the same time. And now I'm adding some Boxwood florals that I picked up from Walmart. And there you have it. This came out so cute, guys. This is a high-end look to an inexpensive decor. And you didn't see, but I did rub some of that hazelnut paint on the raised dots on the flower or floral basket. So cute. Thank you for watching. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for all of your support. It means everything. And again, if you have yet to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel, please do so, and also consider sharing it with your friends and your family, co-workers, and even your enemies. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next DIY.